Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Ang awiting ito ay iniaalay ko po kay Ma'am Erlinda Cagata Cagas. Maraming salamat po ma'am sa iyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa aking mga content. Ang awiting ito ay para sa iyo. Standing by my window, listening for your call. Seems I really miss you after all. Time won't let me keep these sad thoughts to myself. I'd just like to let you know I wish I'd never let you go. And I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you. And I'll always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I'll still, I will love you. Wish you'd never left me, but love's a mystery. You can break a heart so easily. The days and nights reveal how much I feel for you. Time has come for me to say how much your love has meant to me. And I'll always love you. And if you ever change your mind, I'll still, I will love you. Time like a river keeps on rolling right on by. Nothing left